Hey everyone, and welcome to Frankfurt. This vibrant city is often overlooked by travelers, but it has so much to offer. From its stunning skyline to its rich history, Frankfurt is a place that truly has something for everyone. A lot of people skip Frankfurt, but it's really cool. The city is a bustling hub of culture, finance, and innovation. You'll find a unique blend of modern skyscrapers and charming old buildings that tell the story of its past. It's a mix of old and new, with tall skyscrapers and lots of history. The contrast between the sleek, contemporary architecture and the historical landmarks is truly fascinating. You can walk through centuries of history in just a few blocks. Whether you're just stopping by or staying a while, Frankfurt has something for you. From world-class museums and galleries to cozy cafes and bustling markets, there's always something to see and do. We're going to explore the best parts of the city, check out fun neighborhoods, and find the hidden gems that make Frankfurt special. Each neighborhood has its own unique charm and character, waiting to be discovered. So, get your comfy shoes on, and let's go! Whether you're an art lover, a history buff, or just looking for a great place to relax, Frankfurt is ready to welcome you with open arms. First stop, the Römerberg, Frankfurt's historical center. This square has been the heart of the city for centuries, a place where history and modern life blend seamlessly. Imagine walking on these cobblestones hundreds of years ago, with busy markets and people everywhere, the hustle and bustle of merchants selling their goods, the chatter of townsfolk, and the clatter of horse-drawn carriages. The Römerberg is beautiful, with colorful houses that look like they're from a fairy tale. These half-timbered buildings are a testament to the architectural styles of the past, each one telling its own story. These old buildings with their pointy roofs and fancy carvings have seen so much history. They have witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of commerce, and the daily lives of countless generations. In the middle is the Römer, Frankfurt City Hall for over 600 years. This iconic building has been the backdrop for many significant events in the city's history. It's a symbol of Frankfurt. The Römer stands as a proud reminder of the city's resilience and enduring spirit. Walk around, enjoy the atmosphere, and grab a coffee at a cute cafe. The square is always alive with activity, from street performers to local vendors. This is the real Frankfurt, a place where the past and present coexist, offering a unique glimpse into the city's rich heritage and vibrant culture. Now, look up at the tall Frankfurt Cathedral. This towering structure is one of the most iconic landmarks in Frankfurt, standing majestically against the skyline. Its impressive height and intricate design draw visitors from all over the world. This amazing Gothic building is huge, and we're going to explore it. The cathedral's architecture is a testament to the craftsmanship of the medieval builders. Each stone and arch tells a story of a bygone era, filled with history and grandeur. Inside, it's quiet and peaceful. The serene atmosphere provides a stark contrast to the bustling city outside. As you walk through the aisles, you can almost feel the centuries of prayers and reflections that have taken place here. The high arches, colorful windows, and little chapels are a nice break from the busy city. The stained glass windows, with their vibrant colors and intricate designs, cast a beautiful light that dances across the stone floors. But the best part is climbing to the top of the tower. The climb is a bit challenging with its narrow, winding stairs, but it's well worth the effort. It's a lot of stairs, but the view is amazing. From the top, you get a breathtaking panoramic view of the entire city. You can see all of Frankfurt, the river, and even the hills outside the city. It's a sight that truly makes you appreciate the beauty and scale of this historic city. Let's go to the Palmengarten, Frankfurt's beautiful botanical garden. This big park is full of colorful flowers and smells from all over the world. Walk through greenhouses with exotic plants, see the roses, and find hidden spots. The Palmengarten is a plant lover's dream with thousands of different kinds of plants. Relax by the lake, rent a boat, or just sit and enjoy the quiet. It's the perfect place to escape the city. Do you like art? Our next stop is the Städel Museum, which has one of Germany's best art collections. See 700 years of art, from old paintings to modern art. See famous works by Rembrandt, Vermeer, Monet, Picasso, and many more. The Städel has something for everyone. Take your time and enjoy the paintings, the feelings, and the stories they tell. The museum also has drawing classes and tours. Last stop, we're going up the main tower, Frankfurt's only skyscraper open to the public. Ride the fast elevator to the top and get ready for an amazing, breathtaking view. You can see the whole city, all the buildings, the river, and even the hills far away. Find the places you've visited, follow the streets below, and enjoy how big and beautiful Frankfurt is from up high. Thanks for exploring Frankfurt with me. We've only seen a little bit of what this city has to offer. From old squares and big churches to peaceful gardens and amazing museums, Frankfurt is a great place to visit. I hope this video makes you want to come to Frankfurt, have a great trip and enjoy everything this city has. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel videos.